The open road calls, the wind whispers freedom. There's something undeniably liberating about the roar of the engine and the endless horizon ahead. And now, more than ever, women are answering that call on two wheels. They are embracing the thrill and the sense of empowerment that comes with riding. Forget the old stereotypes. Motorcycling is not just a man's world anymore. Women are breaking barriers and redefining what it means to be a motorcyclist. Women from all walks of life are discovering the joys of riding, and they're changing the face of motorcycling as we know it. From young professionals to retirees, the passion for riding knows no bounds. This isn't just a passing trend. It's a movement that's gaining momentum. Motorcycle dealerships are seeing a significant increase in female customers. Women are not just passengers anymore. They are taking the driver's seat. Women are buying their own bikes, taking riding courses, and mastering the skills needed to ride safely and confidently, and joining motorcycle clubs in record numbers. And why not? The camaraderie and support found in these communities are unparalleled. Motorcycling offers a sense of adventure, community, and pure exhilaration that's hard to find anywhere else. It's more than a hobby, it's a lifestyle. Remember that feeling of riding a bicycle for the first time? The wind in your hair, the sun on your face, the warmth enveloping you, the sheer joy of movement. Now imagine that feeling magnified 100-fold. That's what it's like to ride a motorcycle for the first time. The roar of the engine vibrates through you. You twist the throttle and feel the surge of power beneath you. The world whizzes by, a blur of colors and sounds, almost like a dream. For a few glorious moments, you are completely free. Motorcycling isn't just about the thrill. It also offers some very practical benefits. For one thing, motorcycles are incredibly fuel efficient. In a world of rising gas prices, that's a major advantage. And let's not forget about the parking. Forget circling the block for hours looking for a spot. A motorcycle can slip into those tight spaces that cars could only dream of. But perhaps the most practical benefit of all is the sense of empowerment that comes with riding. When you're on a motorcycle, you're not just a passenger. You're in control. You're the captain of your ship, charting your own course through the world. All right, Section 4. The challenges. It's not always an easy ride. Let's be real, motorcycling isn't all sunshine and roses. All right, there are days when the weather is against you, and you have to ride through heavy rain or strong winds. It's physically demanding, for one thing. Lifting a fallen bike, or even just maintaining your balance, requires a good amount of physical strength. You need a certain level of strength and stamina to handle a bike, especially in traffic or on long rides. Endurance is key when you're on the road for hours. And then there's the safety aspect. Wearing the right gear and regularly checking your bike's condition are crucial for a safe ride. Motorcycles offer less protection than cars, so you need to be constantly aware of your surroundings and ride defensively. This means anticipating the actions of other drivers and being prepared to react quickly. And let's not forget about the societal perceptions. Despite the growing number of female riders, some people still find it unusual. Some people still cling to the outdated notion that motorcycles are for men, this can lead to uncomfortable stares or even unwelcome comments. You might get some strange looks or comments, especially if you're a woman riding solo. But remember, every ride is a step towards breaking those stereotypes. Here's Section 5, Sisterhood of Speed, finding support on the road. The good news is that there's a fantastic community of female riders out there who are ready to welcome you with open arms. From online forums to motorcycle clubs to women-only riding groups, there are countless ways to connect with other women who share your passion for riding. These women understand the unique challenges you face, and they're there to offer support, advice, and encouragement. They'll teach you how to maintain your bike, navigate tricky roads, and deal with everything from flat tires to skeptical onlookers. Section 6, gearing up for safety. Essential tips for new riders. Safety should always be your top priority when you're on a motorcycle. Before you even think about hitting the open road, make sure you've taken a motorcycle safety course. These courses will teach you the basics of motorcycle handling, traffic laws, and defensive riding techniques. Next, invest in high-quality riding gear and wear it every time you ride, no exceptions. That means a full-face helmet, gloves, a sturdy jacket, and boots that cover your ankles. And remember, riding a motorcycle is a mental game as much as a physical one. Section 7, ride your own ride. The empowering journey of a female motorcyclist. So, you're a woman who's thinking about taking the plunge into the world of motorcycling. It's a thrilling and liberating experience that can change your life in ways you never imagined. Do it! Yes, there will be challenges. You might face tough terrains and unexpected obstacles. Yes, it will take effort. You'll need to practice and hone your skills and sometimes get your hands dirty. But the rewards, believe me, are more than worth it. The sense of accomplishment and the breathtaking views are just the beginning. Motorcycling is about so much more than just getting from point A to point B. It's a journey of self-discovery and adventure. It's about pushing your boundaries, challenging yourself, and experiencing the world in a whole new way. Every ride is a new story waiting to be written. It's about freedom, empowerment, and the sheer joy of the open road. The wind in your face, the thrill of the ride. It's pure bliss. So what are you waiting for? The world is out there, waiting to be explored. Get out there and ride your own ride. Embrace the journey and make it your own.